Hi everyone, Mike here. I'm going to take you through installing a Dapol signal in N-Gage. I've put all the data sheet on the video at the front. It's not very easy to read on there, but I will go through it with you as we get stage by stage. We now have the wiring diagram and telling you to use 16 volt or 9 volt DC. I'll be using 9 volt battery DC on this for now anyway. Here we have two of the wires from the signal. These are for the switch control, and as you see, I've lengthened them and put some heat shrink on them. We now have the power wires, red and black, which again have been lengthened and heat shrinked. Most important to get these on the right settings, like power and signal. We now get to cutting a hole in the baseboard with a 14mm auger, and this we'll be able to drop the signal through. As you can see, one of the signals I've taken out, and I will point out to you that is the length of it. You can see the wires coming out and the nut which goes under the baseboard to hold it in position. You will notice that the base of the signal is rather large. This is still for 00. So for N-Gage I've had to cut along the sides of it to fit in the 6 foot of the permanent way so that it's not fouling. And that is the nut you put on once it's through the hole, and obviously before you terminate your wires. We now drop the signal into the hole. You can see there where I've cut the edges off to make sure that it fits between the two tracks. This is the only problem with the Dapol, it's got the same base as the 00 fittings. Once we've dropped it in, we can reach up underneath and put the locking nut on. Just finger tight, doesn't have to be hugely tight. We now come to the fitting. I've just used a 9 volt battery and a switch there. This is just temporary till I put it into the actual track plan diagram. We now look, these are the two push buttons I used, just to push to make and let go. Spring, you don't want load on all the time. We now have power on the signals. Try the signal, nice green there, and nice one on the other one. Let's now run a train through and see the signals, how we have them. There's the distant off. My 9F's approaching it. Try if I can give it the welly now and all clear through the next signals. quick look at the outer home. Now we get back to the starters over the crossing. And a train approaching. And the signalman has returned the signal to danger. And on we go. Quite a good project. Just got to bear in mind the power supplies and one or two other little things, but it's a pretty comprehensive data sheet from Dapol, so I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.